Hello, financial trailblazers. Welcome to the electrifying center stage of WealthWave. My name is Eddie, and today, we're plunging headfirst into the heart-pounding world of finance, where the secrets to financial success are as tantalizing as the plot twists in your favorite thriller novel. Get ready because we're about to embark on a quest that's more thrilling than a roller coaster ride at midnight. 5 easy steps to a better credit score. Your credit score, my friends, is not just a number. It's your financial backstage pass, your golden ticket to a world of financial opportunities. And today, we're handing them out like Willy Wonka. So, fasten your seatbelts, grab your financial glow sticks, and prepare for a journey that will not only boost your credit score but also your financial confidence. You see, this isn't just a video. It's a blueprint for transforming your financial life. It's about leveling up your credit score game, making it shine brighter than a supernova. So, whether you're a financial novice or a seasoned pro, whether you've got a stellar credit score or one that could use a little TLC, this video is your roadmap to credit score greatness. Step 1. Know your credit report. Alright, fellow financial detectives, it's time to dive headfirst into our first technique. Know your credit report. Think of it as the opening chapter in your financial novel, the prologue to your financial journey. This step is like turning on the GPS before embarking on a cross-country road trip. It keeps you on the right track. Your credit report is your financial autobiography, but it's written in invisible ink. We're here to unveil the secrets it holds, to decode its cryptic language, and to make sure there are no typos in your financial story. Now, you might be thinking, why is my credit report such a big deal? Well, my friends, it's because your credit report is the single most influential document in your financial life. It's like the blueprint for your financial house, the recipe for your financial success. Your credit report tells the tale of your financial responsibility, the good, the bad, and the ugly. It reveals your borrowing history, your payment patterns, and even those financial skeletons hiding in your closet. And here's the kicker. It's not just for lenders' eyes, it's for yours, too. Knowing your credit report is like having a flashlight in the darkest corners of your financial world. It empowers you to spot errors, inconsistencies, or even signs of identity theft. It's like having X-ray vision in the world of finance. So, here's your action step. Get a copy of your credit report from all 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You're entitled to a free report from each bureau every 12 months. Review them, dissect them, and look for anything that doesn't add up. Don't worry. We'll guide you through deciphering your credit report in a future video. For now, just remember that understanding your credit report is like holding the first piece of the puzzle, and we're about to complete the picture of your financial success together. So, stay tuned, stay curious, and stay financially fabulous, my friends, because we're just getting started on this epic journey to a better credit score. Step 2. Pay your bills on time. On to technique number 2, pay your bills on time. Your payment history is like your financial report card, and each on-time payment is an A+. Late payments? Well, they're like turning in your homework written in crayon. Set up reminders, automate payments, or hire a skywriter to remind you. Do whatever it takes to ensure those bills are paid on time. Missing payments is like tripping on your own shoelaces during the financial race to success. Totally avoidable. Think of each on-time payment as a musical note in your credit score symphony. Play the right tune, and your credit score will be a chart-topping hit. Step 3. Reduce credit card balances. Now, let's tackle our third technique, a move that's as game-changing as finding a hidden treasure map. Reduce credit card balances. High credit card balances relative to your credit limit are like trying to run a marathon with a backpack full of bricks. Picture this. You have a credit card with a $5,000 limit, and you've charged up a staggering $4,500. Your credit utilization rate, which is the amount you owe compared to your credit limit, is through the roof at a whopping 90%. That's like trying to climb Mount Everest with a ball and chain. Why is this important, you ask? Well, financial wizards suggest keeping your credit utilization below 30% to keep your credit score in tip-top shape. When you're maxing out your credit cards, it sends a signal to lenders that you might be in financial distress. Lowering those credit card balances is like shedding the backpack full of bricks and sprinting toward a better credit score. It's not just about lightening the load on your financial shoulders. It's about giving your credit score wings to soar. Think of it as a financial workout, shedding those extra pounds of debt. And trust me, when you see your credit score climbing, it's like watching the progress bar on your way to a healthier financial you. So, here's your action step. Create a plan to tackle those credit card balances. Start by paying off the cards with the highest interest rates first, or consider a balance transfer to a card with a lower interest rate. The goal is to get that credit utilization rate down and watch your credit score rise like a phoenix from the ashes. Step 4. Diversify your credit portfolio. Let's dive into technique number 4. Diversify your credit portfolio. Think of it as expanding your financial buffet with a variety of delectable dishes. Lenders and creditors love a well-rounded financial palette. Having a mix of credit types, like credit cards, installment loans, and retail accounts, shows that you can handle different financial flavors. It's like telling lenders, I'm a financial foodie, and I can savor and manage all kinds of financial dishes. If you've been stuck in a credit card rut, it might be time to explore new culinary horizons. Apply for an installment loan or dip your toes into different credit waters. Remember, it's all about maintaining balance and becoming a true financial Epicurean. Step 5. Don't close unused credit accounts. Finally, technique number 5. Don't close unused credit accounts. It's like keeping old friends around. They've been with you through thick and thin. Closing them can be like deleting cherished photos from your phone. A piece of your financial history disappears. Even if you don't use certain credit accounts, their age and positive history contribute to your credit score story. They're like the wise elders in your financial family, adding depth and credibility to your credit history. Think of it as having a group of silent cheerleaders in the background, giving you a nod of approval in the world of finance. So, before you bid adieu to those old credit cards, consider the rich history they bring to your financial saga. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to unleashing your financial superhero, your credit score. Remember, this isn't just about numbers on a report. It's about the life-changing opportunities and financial freedom that a better credit score can unlock. If you found this video as thrilling as a blockbuster movie, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on future financial adventures with us. Share this video with your fellow financial adventurers, because the journey to a better credit score is even more exhilarating when you're not doing it alone. So, take these steps, make them your own, and watch your credit score soar to new heights. The financial world is your oyster, and you have the key to unlock its treasures. Keep climbing that credit score mountain, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay financially fabulous. Thanks for watching.